Hello guys, this is Dance Ninja. I'm going to show you how to make a Lego wizard. Now, the parts that you all need is very basic. First, the head. You need a tiny grandfather head right here. Nothing on the back. Put that right there. These pants, which are like stars and moons. We're gonna have the hat and the hair, that wizard hat, and then the body. I mean, you could choose this one. I like this one for it. There. And then the accessory. This is optional. You can have a tiny bag with them. So, sorry. We have this right here. We're going to connect this right here, like that, right there. Then we have the head, the grandfather head. We're going to put it on like that. And then we're going to put the hat on like that. All right, we have that on. Then we have the tiny accessory. And then, there we go, we have the tiny man. I mean, this is the, it's a nice character of, fantasy, characters, and, play with these, do whatever you want. So, there you go. That's your wizard. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and smash that like button for more videos. And hope you enjoyed this video. And subscribe. Goodbye.